Here are the best packages to clean your business on autopilot. These subscription packages allow you to choose the level of cleaning that suits your lifestyle and preferences, all while enjoying the convenience of regularly scheduled cleanings. Package A. Our standard package is the foundation of clean living. For just $267 a month, our team will visit your residence every month, ensuring your home maintains a consistent level of cleanliness. Package B, elevate your cleaning experience with our deluxe package. Priced at $367 per month, this subscription includes all the benefits of our standard package, plus extra perks. Package C, for the utmost in luxury and convenience, our VIP package is the ultimate choice. Priced at $567 and normally $1,000 a month. This premium subscription includes everything in the standard and deluxe packages, with the added bonus of white glove service and priority scheduling. Whether you opt for the standard, deluxe, or VIP package, Repeatedly Clean is committed to providing you with a clean and worry-free living space.